Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I will be giving you all a smoky eye tutorial, kind of a burnt orange look, a little pop of orange, of course. But anyway, you guys, I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the video, you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I have my mirror right here. I'm going to begin by priming my eyes using the Bakerie Cake Face Concealer in the color Your Brewtifiul. Okay you guys, so the palette I'll be using today is the Morphe Boss Moods palette. It's the 35M palette. I'm only going to be using one palette for this look. So first I'm going to go in with the Fired Up color. I try to remember the names or keep the names attached to it. So this little orange color is kind of burnt. It's beautiful. I don't know if you all know this, but orange is like one of my favorite colors. So I'm going to use my blending brush. Dab it in here a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm just going to use the mirror from my Take Me to Brazil palette just because it's a little easier for you all to see. So I'm just not even going to use my normal mirror today. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the next eye. I need to fix my brows, you guys. But yeah. I usually clean them up, make them look way nicer at the end. Okay, you guys, so I finished my orange. So I kind of wanted to transition to a little pinkish. So the next color, this palette didn't have just the best pink because this is more of like a fall color palette. I'm going to use this, I believe this color is Red Carpet. Do I want to use that color or this one? Ooh, no, I want to use this one. Sweet Beets. This is Sweet Beets right here. So I'm going to use that color to transition just a little lower than the orange. I'm actually using the same brush. I'm just kind of dusting off a little more orange. But I want these colors to blend together, so I mean it's not just gonna hurt that I'm using the same brush. Alright, so now I'm going to switch brushes. Like I said, my favorite brush set that I have is my Refrain brush set from Amazon. I'll make sure to link it in the description box. But I'm going to go in with the black shade from the same palette as before. This is called Black Magic. I'm using this like rounded brush kind of. I'm gonna just push it. I'm gonna tap it onto my eye. Ooh, this is so pigmented. So pigmented. And I'm going to blend it out. So not only am I using one palette, I'm trying to use one brush set too. So it'll be pretty easy to buy everything I'm using in this video.
So I switched brushes to go up a little bit to make sure I blend all three of these colors. I do not want my black blended up too much though.
So now I'm gonna move on to this eye. I'm starting with this rounded brush where I'm just gonna push it into my lid. So you want to make sure you tap off the excess. I was gonna say, oh Lord, but yeah, make sure you tap off the excess. I was gonna say access, you guys. I'm sorry. It's late. It is late. You ever just wake up in the middle of the night and say, I feel like doing a makeup look. So that's basically what happened. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Great Lash mascara. This mascara is so cheap, but I love this mascara. You can get it literally anywhere. This is like the most famous mascara ever. This little pink and green container. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little mascara on. And for my lashes, these lashes were featured in my 40 pair plus AliExpress lash haul. So these lashes are so big, so beautiful. I got 5 pairs for like $2 or $3. So make sure you check out that video, you guys. I have a lot of lash hauls and I think you all would really enjoy them. So make sure you check those out. But these are the lashes I'll be wearing today. Okay guys, so these lashes are just gigantic. I love drama. I love dramatic lashes. But I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I'm going to come back and finish my eyes. So I'll be right back, you guys. Bye. Y'all, I'm still doing my makeup, but wow, this eye looks so pretty. Like, I love this little orange. It's like a sunset. It's literally on my eye. I need to blend this line out a little bit. But you guys, it's like a sunset. It's on my eye. It's beautiful. Okay, let me finish my makeup. I mostly finished my makeup. No way. But I'm going to do my under lash line. My lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to do my lower lash line. Go back in with that black color. I'm also going to take, let me make sure I clean this brush as much as I can, get all, as much black off this brush as I can. I'm going to go in with the orange and go right over the black too. And a little bit under. Okay, and I'm going to put a little mascara on my lower lashes. I did not do that at first. Okay. So I want to add a little pop of color to my eyes because it's looking a little dark right now. It is looking a little dark over here. So I'm going to add a little inner corner light. A little inner corner light, you guys. I really want to use my highlighter, so I use the Milani Sunglow highlighter. You can get this at any drugstore for very cheap. Very, very cheap, you guys. And to kind of bring this look a little more together, I'm going to add a little nude. I'm going to add a nude lip to this look because it is super dark. What I do actually for my nude lips now, I just add concealer to my lips. So this is the same concealer I prime my eyes with most of the time. I know not today, but this is Toffee and LA Girl Pro Concealer. So, but guys, this literally works like a charm. It really does, believe me. So I kind of take a little bit out to make it more pink-like. That's just my preference. It still looks fine if you don't. I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be right back, you guys. Oh, it looks gorgeous. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. Me being extra, I decided to throw in a little orange dress for you all. Okay. I saw a little orange at the top and I wanted to put on my little orange satin dress. But this look is so beautiful to me. I did my hair up a little bit for you guys. But yes, this is it. This is perfect for, I don't know what you're doing. You can going out on a date, the club, a party, I don't know, a nice dinner. This is a beautiful look, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.